Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I am Srinivas, AI trainer and mentor at GenAI 99, founder of GenAI Lakes, and inventor of 4 groundbreaking AI products. Day 1 begins with the foundation of everything you'll build throughout your AI journey, Python programming. Whether you're a student, fresher, or working professional, we'll start from the basics and help you develop a strong programming mindset. You'll learn how Python works and how to write clean, efficient, and industry-standard code. Understand variables, data types, operators, and the core programming concepts used in real-world applications. Through hands-on coding exercises and practical examples, you'll gain the confidence to write programs and solve real problems independently. By the end of day 1, you'll have a strong Python foundation and be ready to move into automation, advanced programming, and artificial intelligence. Click the link below and start your AI journey today. GenAI 99. Empowering the future with AI.